the Congress party taking action against 10 of its leaders, going ahead to expel them, and this action that has been initiated over activities. Now, what is being learned through as far as the Congress party taking this action against its own leaders is when it comes to the differences, when it comes to distribution of tickets, and many of the leaders visibly unhappy and deciding to contest elections as independents. That is what is being said prompted the Congress party to initiate action against its own leaders, at least 10 of them who have now been expelled for anti-party activities for a period of 6 years. Niyamika, the distribution of tickets seems to be a big issue as far as Congress party and its own leaders are concerned. Niyamika, more Congress leaders who have been expelled from the party. I think she's unable to hear me. She's right there at the election rally that shortly will be taking place in Haryana. But this is coming at a time when Congress party top leaders are expected to hold mega rallies and yatras and trying to put up a show of unity. Where, as Niyamika was pointing out, Kumari Shelja is also expected. Now, there has been several reports of rifts and differences within the party. But even when it comes to the action that has now been initiated by the Congress party against its own leaders, seems to be when it comes to many of the leaders who decided to contest the elections as independents upon not being given a ticket by the party to contest the upcoming elections. And that is the reason what is being cited that the Congress party initiated action against them. At least 10 of the leaders from Haryana Congress who have now been expelled from the party for a period of 6 years as according to the Congress they were indulging in anti-party activities. So the countdown to the Haryana battle, that the elections that would be taking place, very crucial there for the Congress party as far as taking on the 10-year rule of the BJP. But Niyamika, if you can hear me now, action that has been initiated by the Congress against its own leaders, many of them have been expelled.
Well, yes, these were the rebel leaders within the Congress party who had filed their nominations independently, and for that reason now a disciplinary action has been taken against these 10 rebel leaders within the Congress party, which also includes the name of many those leaders who had also raised concern that while no ticket was being given to them, as we have also spoken to several of these leaders who were earlier complaining when the ticket distribution process was going on, and at that point of time also it was being said by Chitra Sarna, who is contesting these elections from the Ambala Cant constituency, who is also the daughter of Nirmal Singh, as Nirmal Singh is the senior leader, as he is also contesting from the seat of Ambala. As for that reason now the Congress party is saying that one family, one ticket formula has been implemented by them, and that's the only reason why Nirmal Singh was being given ticket while Chitra Sarna was denied ticket, and for that reason now she had already filed her nomination.
The Congress party election campaign, as it is being said that Rahul Gandhi and Priyanka Gandhi will shortly be there in Narayanganj Assembly seat in Ambala, where they will be leading the Congress party election campaign for Haryana. However, many of its leaders who have been expelled for indulging in anti-party activities. Thank you very much, Niyamika, for the moment for joining in. Let's also, in the meantime, talk about another breaking update.